Okay, so continue lah. Just now our answer is here. Okay. So this one correct lah, huh? Standard solution. Volumetric flask can measure the volume of solution with accurately, keyword, with calibrated mark. Okay, why must stop it after the solution is prepared? To prevent evaporation, keyword, of the solution and affect the accuracy lah. Okay, so the calculation, no problem. I think you all can solve it. Problem. Then we continue to the question D1. Volume of the acid needed. So you see, 25 here, what? This one half only, or how can? So you have to be careful. Why half only? Because of the monoprotic acid, diprotic acid, very good. This is the monoprotic, this is the diprotic. Well done. Monoprotic and diprotic. The number of the hydrogen ion is double, greater, cannot greater. We use the keyword because it's really double, or you can see twice. Okay, can ID use the keyword. Double or twice, like this. Can I? Okay, ID, one question to you. If I ask you, have you heard basicity of acid? And you give me what is the basicity of HCl? Sometimes they can come up this word, basicity of H2SO4. So sometimes you can see this word also. So what is the meaning of basicity? Alvin, you can see you are track cleaner. Today, both of you have to become the person SOS, help out. Basicity here. So what should I write? If I say basicity, write down the basicity for HCl, Yancy. No, not neutralization. Write down the basicity of H2SO4. How much you have to write down? Albert, Albert is so silent, Albert. Can give your opinion. Kai-En also can. Okay. Pravina, Brandon also can. pH, yes, Alvin, you are right. Is it concentration? It's the monoprotic and diprotic actually. So this is 1, this is 2. Basicity means how much of the ion can come up. So got 1, 2, like this. Okay, so don't worry. Maybe we can use it. Can come out in the SPM also, because inside our syllabus. Okay, be careful. So I did the last question. So explain how to determine the endpoint. How you're going to determine? How you're going to determine? You will pour sodium hydroxide. Yes, you pour it, and then with a few drop of what? In the conical flask, with a few drop of what? Yes, phenolphthalein, very important. It's a very good indicator. So what is the color change? ID. Phenolphthalein spelling, is it correct? I'm not sure. You have to check out. Phenolphthalein cannot wrong spelling. Phenolphthalein wrong spelling means you gotta deduct marks. It's a chemical thing. Good. Must spell correctly. Chemical cannot wrong. Phenolphthalein. PHATE 啊，THA 啦，correct 啦，THATHALEIN。Yeah, Pavina is correct. Phenolphthalein. Yes, same with me lah. Phenolphthalein. Is it? Be careful. Chemistry wrong, terms cannot wrong. All these are they catch out very strict. Very strict. The marker will double check, triple check for you. Kalau cakar ayam boleh tulisan, be careful. Cakar ayam, you know what I mean? Cakar ayam. So until the color change, how from what to what, pink to colorless, very good. ID, how good your writing? Is it doctor writing or teacher writing or like the computer writing? Very nice one. I hope it's very nice one. You have to train. Okay, try not so cakap ayam. Okay, heavy. Now your turn, heavy. Heavy, your writing okay? Heavy, are you here, heavy? Heavy can open mic also, no problem. Heavy, yes, heavy here. Okay, heavy. Question mark, okay? Full marks. Heavy, you are here. Okay, so good. I think okay, good. No problem. So number B, pH value for this one, what do you think? pH how many? This is 0.1, this is 0.01. So you think 1 can? Apakah nilai untuk X? So you write 1 also can, you write pH 1 is more specific lah, pH 1 lah. So you know last time last year your senior one they write 1 pH or cannot wrong pH 1 you see the answer you cannot simply the terms you cannot simply kalau reject answer reject 1 pH salah tak boleh 1 pH bahaya. So if you write 1 only it's still okay then you want to write pH you make sure pH 1 heavy. So what is mean by monoprotic heavy monoprotic ialah apa? Very good. Very good. Perfect marks. Very good. Keyword is you must have. You don't use one molecule. We use one more. Everything we use one more. Cannot have it. We use the best word, one more. One more of the acid. We use one more. Ionize in water to produce one. We use the keyword one more. Then we don't use this word. We use one more enough. Okay. Like this. We don't use molecule. Can. Heavy can produce one more here. Oh, okay. This one be careful lah. The terms keyword is important. And we continue. So good. Ethanol acid, nitric acid. Both are strong acid. We can accept, right? Agree. If you don't agree, tell Mr. Lai, Yancy, Alvin, Eugenia. So explain why the pH is higher. Because they are weak acid, they are strong acid, because the concentration is higher. I think perfect mark, right? No problem, heavy. Okay, so D. For D, also calculation. Just now we show you already. So how to calculate? Find your mummy first. Find number of mole. Find mummy already. Then you calculate the mole ratio. And you get the final answer. Okay. This one I think no problem for you. Okay, we go to Pavina. Yes, Pavina, your turn. Pavina will do for police. Pavina, okay? Pavina here. Okay, open mic, Pavina. Hello, Pavina. And here Pavina's voice. Hello, Pavina. Say hello to everyone. Pavina. Okay, now Pavina got mic here. You just voice out, no problem one. Okay, Pavina, your question is the last one. No, never mind. You just open my as long as we can hear your sound. Okay, Pavina, try. Your question is 4 marks question. Is that right? Maybe we can hear clearly, no problem. Don't worry, you just try. Okay. Okay, so Pavina question is 4 marks. Need to calculate the x per this one. Okay. How? From this experiment, you need to prepare. So calculate the volume of x. You don't know how much x you need. So Pavina, you have to find out how much of x you need. Okay. And then you have to form the equation first, right? Equation given you already. Is it balanced already? Then no problem. Balance already. Or your second step, you will do for the number of mole. Find your mommy. So mole of the CH3, how many? Yes, MV 1000. So you get how many? So your M equal to this one, your V equal to this one. So your mole is 0.05. Very good. Okay. So comparison. 1 mole produce so much. How about this mole? 0.005 same lah. 0.005. So the mass will be 0.05, 0.05 times how many? Times the molar mass. Molar mass, I think you have to calculate. They will give you actually. You have to follow the periodic table information here. Molar mass will be 40. Good. Oh, molar mass is this one, sorry. Molar mass is NaOH. Yes. Very good. Pavina, you get 0.2 gram. Well done. So all the marks get all 4 marks here. No problem. Well done, Pavina. Okay, Pavina, this question you can see, they got solvent L, they got solvent M. So solvent L can function well because dissolve. Solvent M cannot function well, cannot dissolve. That means solvent M is not water, cannot form. Okay, cannot form. This one can form hydrogen ion. Okay, so back to your question. Suggest it. So I give you so many example. Okay, you can remember 1 or 2 is good lah. Methyl benzene, always you can see the answer here. Always come out one. Propanol also can use. Chloroform can use. 1,1,1 trichlorotoluene also can. Chloroethane. Okay. Okay, so no problem here. This one also no problem. Ionized hydrogen. No, that's not ionized. Okay, no problem. Okay, so how this one? Write the equation, Pavina. Equation when the magnesium react with the glacial ethanol acid. Yeah. How? Equation, how you're going to write? Pavina, try. Ethanol acid, how? CH3, COOH plus, how? Magnesium will become how? Good, Pavina. It will form. You have to bracket it. How to write? How to write ethanol acid with magnesium? It will form a salt. Magnesium ethanoate salt. Very good. 3. Magnesium ethanoate salt. Well done, Pavina. Simple, okay? No problem. So you balance it. So this is only 2 marks here. You get another 4 marks to another 4 marks for what? Oh, already kan? So T here got 2 marks. Upstairs got another 4 marks. So perfect lah. Perfect lah. Here got 4 marks here. Here got 2 marks here. So perfect, 6 marks. Okay, thank you, Pravina. And the last part here. Compare the difference of the pH. Okay, compare it. This one I think no problem. Same, you see. You can see the trend. All the questions as they try here, you see. They're asking actually almost same question. Just the number may be different, but you can see the technique all same. That's why teachers say you must go through all the trial. When you go through all these 10 set trial, it make you become a better person. Okay, the last question, Pravina. Right. Explain why the pH value and are different. Okay, so here got another 8 marks here. Then you become a better person, really, because all kind of questions you already go through, you become very, very strong, super, super strong. Hydrochloric is a strong acid, very good. You will become very strong, very powerful, really teacher. Okay. Last time in my school and study, we also prepare during my time. I'm doing the preparation for my SPM also. That time, because I'm lazy also, I play too much already. Okay. Only I think 1 month before the exam, then I become very scared already. So one of my friends together with me also play a lot. We always go to the cyber cafe CC, play computer games. That time we play a lot of the Half-Life, Dota. We play non-stop from morning until night. And then the study academic very bad no time to do revision. But 1 month before that, okay, I stopped all playing and really focus on study. And my friends, one of my friends also, Gammer's friend, he also same with me. He also say he don't want to play. You know what happened? Pravina, okay, you know what we do for this 1 month? 1 month, you all know what can I do for the month before SPN? But it's the last effort I do because I play too much. Non-stop, cannot non-stop one. Still have to stop one. Will die one. You see, you studying smart. You see, my friends together with me I got one good friend also. That time we do the decision. That time he say he don't want to play anymore. He want focus study. He want to read through, do revision. He buy a lot of the reference book. He go back at home, really study. He study all the books, all the reference book. He really do the revision. Okay. But for me, I don't want to do like this. I say I cannot do revision at this time already because already 1 month only. How to do revision like this? Yeah. Like Yancy said, I just do the practice. Okay, trial paper or the past year, or I gather whatever material I can get, I will do it. So I found that when I do the practice, I do the exercise and I will know which part I'm 2 weeks, which part I really not master yet. That time only I focus on I go back and refer to the reference book. But my friends, they do different things. My friends, he only study, only reading, only go through the reference book. Lack of the practice, cannot. At the end, dia tak ada masa nak buat latihan sudah. Too late already. So, the ending is very bad . But because of the last month, I really put a lot of the effort, then totally changed. Totally changed. Become better, a little bit better. Cannot say very good. But at last, still managed to save something. doing a lot of practice save my life. Okay, Virginia. Okay, I think most of you can better than Mr. Lai. Okay, that time we don't have we don't have A plus we don't have A plus A minus. We only have A1. I think A1, A2, and B3. Like this. Okay. My result is not really good because I don't have so much of A1. I only managed to get A. Okay. I think not so much A plus A1 A plus A1 I think I only got 2 or 3 A. I think only 2 get A1. The other all A minus A2. Actually not so good. Okay, so for you all, you want to score A plus, sure can one. You still got a lot of time because you all are study person, you're a hardworking person. You are different from Mr. Lai. I'm a gamer last time, very bad lah. Wasting money, wasting time. Not so good also. Regret, but what can do? Cannot go back already. Brandon, do you play game, Brandon? Vina, yes, past is past. Good lah. So you all still young, no problem. Jie, you all very hardworking girl, very good. Brandon, you are gamer or not? Because guys always play game, right? No. Heavy, you play game. Alvin, you play game. Jiaqi play game. Girls are very seldom play game. Oh, guy play games a lot. Girl, girl doing what? Kavina, you doing what a lot? I got Kai En also play game Kai En play Kai En play what game 王者荣耀 is it? SBN 2 man. Yan Si sure lah. Sure lah. Yan Si sure Kaki Korea movie. Is it? Funny lah you all. Amina was a Bollywood star lah. Okay. Amina was Bollywood Pamina watch the movie one, dancing one, dancing one. I like the Bollywood star movie lah. Very happy lah. Dancing, then they will be together. Wow, you see, so motivate lah. Japanese anime also okay, good. You see, go watch Demon Slayer. Nice movie, nice anime. Oh, you are games, you are Mr. Light games. Very good. We are same taste from some reason. Okay, we come back first. Some of our friends maybe need to leave already. Oh, I know you all got so much of the tuition. I know. Worth lah. For these 2 months, you do whatever you can do only. Okay. After these 2 months, after SPN suffer, you were independent. You can do whatever thing you want. Yancy, everyday Japanese, Korean movie, no problem. Huh? Kai En, everyday 王者荣耀. You want to up level? No problem. Kai En, you can every day, every night. K1, you see? So nice. I can see the picture. I'm gonna play game all night. Yes, Brandon, you are good. Yes, but now you sacrifice lah. Good lah. He throw that way as school teacher. But remember lah, okay, you have to grateful lah. You have to appreciate all the teacher in your school. Actually, they work very hard for you all. Appreciate, huh? Teacher who can, a student who can appreciate the teacher one sure that student will success one. You believe or not? Sure one. You don't just say, oh, all this is not your effort. All this because I go tuition, I go outside, I go workshop. It's not your contribution. But believe me lah, your school teacher is the most one helpful for you. Really one. Be a good friend with your good school teacher, to produce lower concentration of H plus. Like, yeah, particularly grateful for all guidance. Yeah. Yeah, now no play. You are good, Kai En. Respect you, Kai En. Wow, respect to Kai En. Kai En, you already good. You can set password lock all the ID for your game. Cannot enter for these 2 months. After that you enter play. So have to control Sometimes can you need to de-stress also. If you too stressed, you cannot perform well. Believe or not. You cannot say, you 100% study only, cannot like this. Or focus. After focus, then you can do some relax activity lah. No problem one. Okay, no problem one. So now what you are doing is actually worth lah. I can say only lah. For those already joined Mr. Lai workshop, yeah, this is the workshop we will use one. This is a set. You can see. This is a set per list for the paper 2. You see, Mr. Lai already give you all answer already. So I will purposely mark like this for you all, so that you can direct go to the mistake, direct go to the wrong. Why is wrong? Why got no marks here? Apa sebab borosilicate glass is not suitable in the lab glassware? Why? Why is suitable? Why? So you see, why is suitable? Give one reason. Why is suitable? But how can I say high boiling point, resist to thermal shock, high expansion coefficient? Why did that mark? Anything wrong? Try. Anyone can know? From these 3 answers, I got 1 is wrong one. Another 2 can accept. So I want to score 1 mark. I cannot give which one answer wrong. Try. Anyone know? Anyone know? Which one is error? Thermal shock is good. You know what is mean by thermal shock? Jie Yi, Alvin Lord. Thermal shock means, Alvin, thermal is a heat. Kalau suddenly saya panas dia akan retak, dia akan crack. That means this is not good to resist thermal shock. Kalau suddenly I put in the freeze, 0 Celsius, it will crack. It's not good. High expansion coefficient is a very good. High expansion coefficient, or what is the wrong, Eugenia? So what should I modify it? What should I modify it? This one. What is the wrong? High coefficient expansion. Oh, low thermal expansion coefficient. Very good, Pavina. Well done, Pavina. Perfect. You are the best, Pavina. Yes, Eugenia, you are right. Yes, kalau low bagus, dia tak akan kembang cepat. Kalau high, maksudnya dia akan cepat kembang. Cepat kembang is not good thing. Kalau kaca kembang, it will crack. We don't want. You see? Very good, very good. You see, you know the concept, you can answer well. Very good. Okay, thermal shock means it can resist to the suddenly temperature change. Able to resist sudden temperature change. Even though cold or hot also can. All these concepts must know. You see, actually, for the first one, do you think it's accept? High boiling point. Do you think it accept? Brandon, agree for number one. Albert, Jia Yi, Jie Kai En. What do you think? Pavina, Nuhawani, apa opinion kamu? Do you think the first one, high boiling point, we accept or not? Oh, you want boiling point, melting point? Okay. High boiling point. Cannot accept. Yes. Why we want to boiling point? You are not boil it, ma. Melting point is accept. Boiling point is no. If you say melting and boiling point, then okay. You see, they got different meaning. Boiling point, kaca dia akan boil, takkan boil, dia akan melt. You see, the keyword is important. Now you learn something. So this is what you can learn from the workshop. That's why I say you want to score A+, must come. The person who join this workshop really worth. Those don't want, didn't join, 走宝, already miss out something very good. I did the same thing, so teacher marked me wrong. Yeah, good. Your teacher very good, Alvin. Your teacher pro. See, so all this actually is the skill. You need all this skill before you enter exam. Like you go to battlefield, Mr. Lai will teach you all the defense up, how to defend yourself, okay, from the enemy. Your enemy is a threat from the SPN. You see, all inside already. I put answer, or the blue color one is correct. So actually, I try to save your time. I know you cannot do all prior exam now. You don't have so many time, right? You don't have so many time. But what I can try, I buy time for you. Okay, I buy time for you, so you can do more revision for the other subject. But still can get A+ in chemistry. You want or not? Get A+. Want or not? Okay. So this is your target your M. Sometimes you will say I don't want A+. I not so greedy. I want A only you want A+ or A-? Jiaqi, Heavy, Harry, you want A or A+? You see you also low profile. I give you A+, you don't want. You want to get lower marks. You see you have to think like this Target must have. A+ must have. So that you join my plan A+. My plan is to help you A+. Not help you to get A- only. You see when you aim for the moon, even though you miss out, you still get the star. You know what I mean? That is why I want your commitment. You can join all these 8 classes in the plan A. 8 classes means 12 golden hour. So try to fully commitment in Mr. Lai plan A+ workshop. 12 golden hour really help you a lot. You don't play because what we are doing in the plan A+ workshop is different. It's combine all very, very popular hot question. All different chapter question from 4, from 5. It's not like today, you see, only focus on salt, acid, but we focus on all. So the picture will become big picture. So you will learn everything inside, you see. So you miss one class, you see how much or lose you will get. How much losing. Even though you watch playback recording video is not effective. I honestly to tell you all I don't know how much of you all will watch the video Jia Yi, you watch the video to learn Alvin, you watch video really you watch my video You don't. you don't tipu teacher lah. Kai En, if I send you all the video I teach in the workshop, will you watch? Do you think it's effective? No, I don't think. Only 50% maybe, or less than that. Efficient only. If you watch video recording, or less, I believe less. Maybe like Brandon's style is after you finish my class, you watch back video, enhance your memorize, can no problem. But if honestly I tell you, if Brandon didn't join today's class, I send you the video also. Brandon, everything inside highlight one important thing maybe Brandon you only get 20%, 30%. You know what I mean? Because it's different. Interact with non-interact lesson is different. Now Brandon is interact with Mr. Lai, interact with Alvin, interact with everyone inside workshop. That's why I say brainstorming important. I ask you all to open mic. You don't want open mic. You can open mic, you can learn more. Alvin, open mic, can. You see?
Hello.
This is the first step. So during my lesson in the Friday and Saturday, I hope everyone you can get a mic. You just open mic on it because you can get the chance to ask. So you have a career goal to fix it lah. Fix it. It will cost you only 20 ringgit. And then you buy a headset, got mic one. Then no problem already, Brandon. You pay so much for Mr. Lai workshop, but you don't want to pay for the ear set. If paiseh cannot know why you got paiseh, Kai En. And all of you are warrior, are friends. Why paiseh? Sporting. Now you open mic, Kai En. Let Mr. Lai listen yourself. Sporty, you all you come. How to say that? Teammate. Same boat. You know what I mean? We are same boat. 同一条船。Brandon, you buy 30 ringgit also can ear set got the mic one, ear set very cheap one. You already buy, you say got time. You don't have mic, you cannot ask question You use a handphone also can, handphone got mic. You know what I mean? You join two lah. You use two devices to join. This is another alternative. Really why I don't tip you. If you didn't interact with Mr. Lai, I'm very difficult to help you all. Very difficult. That is the problem. I stop recording first. If you got thing to do, you can leave. I just say